Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can clear downloaded effects and videos or stuff like that from the stock videos section, also filters, transition, etc., stickers as well. So to clear up some space on your CapCut, just go to menu and go to the back to home page. Then you're going to select the settings tab here. Go to settings again, and you are going to select clear cache here with the delete button. There's a don't delete cache files, and there's also an auto delete one. I chose the 15 days ago one, and I'm just going to select the trash button here. Select OK. It doesn't affect the use of history projects. If you need to use stickers, effects, and other materials, you need to download them again. It just basically clears out all the downloaded things on CapCut, and you're just going to press OK. Only if you want to, then press save. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.